The project name is Satellite Working Model. This is a geostationary satellite. The satellite is called geostationary because it always looks at one point on the Earth. It will be rotating at a higher speed and always maintaining same point of contact on the Earth. Now this is a satellite module which is attached on the back, which can be removed and can be placed again. This is the Earth. This is the Earth receiving station. The signal from the satellite will be received by this station, and from here it will be transmitted on the terrestrial lines. Okay, the transmission can happen to mobile phones, laptops, aeroplanes in the sky, and it can be used all communications. It can also be used for direct home transmission like dish TV, military communications, and many other applications. Now let us see. First we have to connect this battery. This battery is connected with the satellite. Whenever the satellite makes a revolution, and it will send a signal. That signal will blink the LEDs placed on the respective four devices. Now the battery is to be connected. Then place the satellite. The satellite has got two real solar panels. Whenever the sunlight falls on it, the solar lights will come up. You can see the red light. The red light is glowing. Similarly, there is one more solar panel and light. Whenever it faces the sun, it collects energy and stores this energy for further transmission. Now, the plug is connected to the AC and switch it on. It starts rotating. Whenever it passes by the Earth, it will transmit the signal.